Hmm.
and I I size those such that they're just a portion of the account.
Right. Cool.
Yep. Yeah, best trade of 2025. This one was fun. So we can kind of go into the best and worst trades.
Let's do it.
Yeah. So CWD. So this was awesome because we had this big crypto run after the election, and for the next number of months, crypto was a big deal, and it seemed like every small cap company that wasn't worth a darn was releasing news, press releases saying that they're going to create a crypto treasury, which basically all that means is they're trying to become mini MicroStrategies, right?
Yep.
Mini Michael Saylors. And that was a big theme there for a while. All of these tiny little companies were releasing this news. And this was great because this stock here just blew up on that news, but it was kind of to the tail end of the news cycle. You could see that this had been happening for a long time, a couple of weeks anyway. And this is the best time. I love watching these news cycles unfold, and you can kind of tell that these are kind of a bunch of baloney. The news just isn't really that bullish for the stock, but for whatever reason, it's been overhyped for several weeks, and you can just sort of see the percent spikes start to go down in the last few days that this happens. And this was one of those, and it just spiked up huge in the pre-market from $6 or so, $5 all the way up to 56. This is a true parabolic here. True parabolic. And then it kind of consolidated right here with some wick downs. And they also had just under 1 million shares held in their shelf that they could dump. These were ATM shares, so that's an at the market offering. They can dump all million shares whenever they want at any price without any warning. And when this happens, you can expect they're probably going to try and do it on that spike. And they're probably going to try and do it right at the market open when the liquidity is the highest. So this was a fantastic trade. This was actually the largest trade. I think this was that 29,000 trade in the USIC account. Perfect
So
setup.
for this, yeah, great setup. For this one, Ty, are you entering right off the open and setting your stop at whatever it's at? Are you waiting for any technical pattern? How are you actually kind of executing the short sale?
This was an open short at the open trade. Yep, that's right. And I shorted this right at the open, just before the open, I should say, about 2 minutes before. And I set my stop at um, my stop loss that I put for almost all of these trades. They're the same for almost all of them because they're optimized